Hello, this is Kevin Cully with Cully Technologies. This is part 2 of 2 of running Xojo on Linux. I'm going to change things up. I was going to kind of do a quick demo of each of these distributions. However, I'm going to just demo the SolydK, which is one of my top 2 choices. The other top choice was the Mint running the XFCE user interface. Also very quick, very user-friendly. So I am starting up the SolydK, or I'm sorry, I always call it SolydK. It's really SolydK. It's a relatively new distribution, running the KDE interface, and I think it's just a beautiful interface. It works great with Xojo. To edit files in Xojo is very quick. And in just a second, we'll be fully started up here. This virtual machine's running with 4 gig of RAM in a 20 gig virtual machine hard drive. And everything with the SolydK just worked right out of the box. The HTML viewer in Xojo worked great. The controls run great. And it's got a great theme to the desktop. It's the standard theme. Didn't really make any adjustments at all. All right, so the SolydK is started up. I haven't added Xojo to the desktop, so we're going to access it via the Dolphin File Manager. Accidentally started one too many. Okay, so then we come down to Xojo, and we run it as an application. We'll shut down Dolphin there. So Xojo starts up. I've already created this test application. I was kind of creating them in all the distributions, just real quick and dirty, basic application. I'll maximize the screen. Here, I've got it kind of scrunched down to fit inside of the screen, kind of make it reasonable for to run in the recording software. So I've got some buttons. Select the button and right click, and the menu pops right up, which is very different than the Ubuntu Unity. Here I've got some tabs, different tab panels, and here I've got the HTML viewer. So really basic application. I click run, compiles, and runs. So I'm going to resize the form. I click the button, and I love that it kind of dims out the background and kind of has this glowing effect around the message box. Message box there, message box there, and HTML viewer here with scroll bars. So everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, I just love the look of it. When click and drag, you get a little transparency effect. So looks really good. I think that looks better than Ubuntu Unity, perhaps if you add some of the compass effects. So there we go. There's Xojo with Linux. I'm gonna we'll leave the application, shut it down, turn off the computer. Quick little look at the terminal there, and SolydK is shutting down. So if you haven't tried Linux distribution, if you're on the Mac, try it in Parallels. If you're on Windows, try it in VMware or VirtualBox. VirtualBox is free to download and run. Certain versions of VMware, I believe, are free. So there you go. Take Xojo for a spin in Linux. If you try it, you'll like it.